I once alphabeticized my bookshelf to avoid replying to one email. Not just by title, you understand, but by author and then by colour. Then I got distracted by a book I hadn't read and thought, I'll just read one chapter. 3 hours later, I knew a lot about Norse mythology and still hadn't sent the email. Classic, right? Now, I could have called it for what it was, procrastination, but that felt harsh. So I upgraded it to strategic delay on optimal literacy benefits. And here's the weird truth. We procrastinate not because we're lazy, but because the thing we're avoiding feels, well, too big, too vague, too emotionally risky. The brain is just trying to protect you. It says, let's not write the proposal. Let's rearrange the spice rack instead. It's safer and it smells nicer. So is there a fix? Well, try this. Make the task ridiculously small, like open the file small. Set a silly timer, 5 minutes, that's it, no pressure. Reward yourself with something equally pointless but joyful, like organising your bookshelf again. Because here's the secret. Procrastination isn't a flaw, it's feedback. Something about the task needs a gentler doorway in. Today I opened the email, replied, done in under 6 minutes. Then I alphabeticized my biscuits because of balance. Until next time, I've been John, productively avoiding something right now, Cassidy Rice.